Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 Qigong movements. And when I say my top 5, that just means that these 5 are the ones that I go to the most and seem to make the biggest impact on me and my well-being, my state of mind. So the first one is shaking. And this is a great one for releasing tension in the body. You know, all just part of life, we accumulate tension, and whether that be from work or from other people, or tension from like the thoughts that we think, we accumulate stuff like anxiety, frustration, anger, worry, fear, and this tension lives in our body and inside our tissue. And so shaking is a really great exercise, probably the most effective exercises, I believe, to release tension from the mind, from the muscles, from our fascia, from our emotions. So you just begin shoulder width apart and then bouncing on the balls of your feet. You just allow your shoulders to be loose, your arms to be loose. So I'm not bouncing like this, really stiff like. Instead, loose shoulders, loose arms. Let it go. And big exhales. And wherever you're carrying tension, whether it's like some thoughts that you keep thinking or ruminating on, or there's tension in your shoulders, just imagine releasing that, allowing the shaking to dissolve the tension, allowing the vibration of the shake to dissolve the tension, to release it. And then you can add in a sigh on your exhale. And again, the vibration of the sound of sighing helps to move that tension out of the body. So big breath in. You just allow the body to make a sound. It's not you making a sound. Just allow the energy to move through you. Allow that tension to make a sound. Or maybe it's something softer like there's no right or wrong. And just continue that shaking for as long as you feel it, until you feel relaxed, until you feel like, okay, I've gotten it off of me, right? I've released that tension. And that may take some time for you to notice, to feel that difference. And then just notice the difference actually after you're done of how you feel now. Again, the most important part is the intention. So yes, just shaking physically will definitely have some benefits because we hold the tension in our muscles and our fascia. And that vibration does physically just open that fascia up and the muscles up to release. But the intention, so there's an energetic part that is super helpful, super important, and super effective. So just remember to connect to that and allowing yourself, like maybe even just saying to yourself, I allow myself to release this tension or this anger or this anxiety or whatever it is. So that's my first one. Number 2 is a really simple one. This one's just to cultivate like an inner calm, an inner state of peace. So standing or sitting, doesn't matter. Bringing your hands to your lower belly area. And just breathe into this lower part of your belly. Feel the expansion of your belly as you inhale. And feel the contraction, the belly come in towards your spine on the exhale. Not pressing it, just feeling it. In, out. And just breathing in and out through your nose for a few breaths. Long, slow, deep breaths. Then I invite you to imagine a rock falling down to the bottom of a lake. Imagine that rock falling all the way down and hitting the lake floor. Becoming super still. And allowing yourself to be that rock. To be that rock in this lower part of your belly. Falling all the way down from your head, the busyness of your head and your thoughts, landing gently on the lake floor in the lower part of your belly. And just continuing to breathe here as you become that rock. Feeling the stillness, the silence, the calm. And just anchoring yourself here. Knowing that this calm is always here. As soon as you remember it, as soon as you connect to it, as soon as you ask for it, as soon as you intend it. You know, our world can be busy and chaotic, our mind can be busy and chaotic, but we don't need to participate in it. We can separate ourselves from it because we are not the mind, as you are seeing here. There's something deeper beyond your mind, beyond your emotions, beyond your body. And this place is still and peaceful and calm. And you can make this your home. So that's my second favorite movement that I love to do if I just feel like I need to center myself. If I'm feeling really scatterbrained or just in my head a lot. Just coming back into the body. That's what that means, is we're coming back into the body, out of the head, dropping down, grounding ourselves. Now, number 3 is cloud hands. So this one, just kind of a wider stance, maybe just wider than shoulder width. And we're going to have one hand like you're hugging a tree, the other hand like you're skimming the surface of a lake, like the lake behind me. And you're just going to move side to side. Shifting hands, one hugging a tree, the other skimming the surface of a lake. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever you feel, whatever allows you to stay as present in this moment as possible. Shoulders relaxed, everything soft and relaxed. like the lake behind me. Once you have the movement down, just inhaling, adding the breath. So inhale one direction, exhale the other. And you may need to move faster than me if you need to breathe faster, but try to go long, slow, deep breaths. And then once you have the breath and the movement, just really see if you can feel. Can you feel the energy? Can you feel the air? Can you feel the softness of the breeze, of the air around you? And this is just really great movement for the heart, to just calm the heart, to sink into the body, to get out of the mind. And you can continue that one for as long as you feel it. Next one, number 4, is Heavenly Chi. So just taking a hip width stance, so closer this time. Swiveling the hands out. Arms rise like steam. Bringing the palms facing the body and just scanning the body all the way down. Again, palms face the earth, swivel out, rise like steam. And coming down the front of the body. Adding the breath now, so inhale as the arms come up. Exhale as the hands fall down. Pause, hold as the hands swivel out. Inhale. Exhale. You may need to go faster than me, that's fine. Just go at a pace that is most soothing to you. Once you have the movement and the breath down, then you can add intention. Pulling the energy from the heavens, from Source, and just allowing it to pour through your body, through your hands, and into every cell, from head to toe. Pulling energy from Source, purity, perfection, and just recalibrating, remembering the perfection that you are. Allowing every cell in your body to remember its perfection, to light up with love, to light up with light, to light up with purity. Just like an energetic shower, cleansing yourself returning back to your natural state of perfection. So that's a great one to do anytime, especially maybe when you're feeling disconnected, or you're just feeling a sense of lack, like I'm not good enough, or I hate my body, or whatever it is, it's just cleaning yourself of the residue, the mental and emotional residue that can often be living inside us. So the fifth one is bamboo in the wind. I love this one because it's so simple, doesn't require much effort, and it just teaches us how to really let go. So I'm going to take a really narrow stance. Get right here. Taking a deep exhale and just allowing yourself to be like grass in the wind or bamboo in the wind. So not trying to stand a certain way, just letting go, allowing yourself to sway, allowing the energy to move through you. So instead of trying to control the energy as we do with other movements or direct it, just allowing the energy to move through you, just allowing your body to do what feels natural, whatever its instinct is, whatever happens when you stop trying to control your body. And just enjoy this state of complete allowing, complete release. Complete freedom. Like you're a leaf in the wind. And this is just teaching us how to let go of control, that it's okay, teaching us to trust that it's okay, to learn how to listen to energy, to how we're feeling, to what it feels alive for us in the moment, instead of trying to plan everything, control everything, make things a certain way, make our body a certain way, etc. We can just let go of all that stuff that creates so much stress and tension. And we can allow ourselves to enjoy life more, to be a participant in life, rather than the driver. And you can stay in that energy for as long as you feel it. So there you have it, my top 5 Qigong movements. Let me know which one you enjoyed the most. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your energy and your presence. Comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to continue to practice together, hit that subscribe button so we can practice together in my next video. Thank you. Really cold. Like really, really cold.